Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I will guide you through using the Cool People Like You page on our website. Let's get started. When you visit the page, you'll notice various icons that may appear on the user's profile. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with them as they carry specific meanings. Moving on, there's a convenient search field to find cool people. This search feature allows you to filter users based on different criteria such as their names, desired destinations, origin cities, gender, hobbies, languages, and budget. It's a great way to narrow down your options and find someone who shares your interests and travel preferences. Let's do a quick example together. Say you're in Chicago and planning to travel to Lisbon, Portugal. Now let's fill in these fields accordingly and see if we can find someone cool, just like you, on our website. And there we go. You will ever see the person's approximate location on Google Maps to better understand how far you are away from each other. You can now connect with the person of your choice by clicking on their avatar. After that, you will see the full profile information about the person, and maybe you will something useful for yourself. You could also engage in a friendly chat. Who knows, you might end up having a fantastic time together. Thank you for joining us today, and we genuinely hope that you'll discover someone as cool as you on our platform. Happy connecting and happy travels.